Hey guys, do you want to give phone access to your Facebook profile and you don't know how to do that? Don't you worry because I'm going to tell you the exact way how to give phone access to your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you have like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then simply come to your menu section by tapping on these three lines in the top right corner, and after that tap at this gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you open up your settings and privacy, just simply scroll down a little bit until you get the option of device permissions. Just simply tap at device permission. So here you find the option of phone in the very second bottom. Just for allow phone to your Facebook profile, just simply tap at see information, and here you can see it says not allowed. So tap at update settings and tap at open device settings. It will be redirect you to your mobile phone settings, which you can see over there. Just simply tap at permissions. So here you can find the option of phone in not allowed section. Just simply tap at phone access to your Facebook profile just simply by tapping on allow. Once you tap at allow, you have access phone to your Facebook profile. So that's how you can easily give phone permission to your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy. If you think this video had helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Goodbye till our next video, and I will be recommending you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.